Hey guys, quick video tonight. Rust, as Pisser would say. My goodness. It's a wonder this thing isn't a complete rust bucket. Some of the things you find. Check this out. So that is the backup light housing. And that's dirt. Yeah, that much dirt. Oh, wow. Just getting the backup lights out. And check this out. Let's see if I get the light on here. Can you say adhesion problem? Yeah, that is just coming off in sheets. Acrylic lacquer. I don't know, to me that looks like acrylic metal or acrylic lacquer right on the metal with no primer. I don't know if the guy painting the car got bored or what. Alright, talk to you later. Thanks for watching.